Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video from Vintage Radar. Today I wanted to show you two of the products by Dukwin. So here we have the watch roll. This is going to be the watch roll for 3 watches. Really nice quality. As you can see here, I have my vintage 1950s Rolex watch, my G-Shock, the Cassie Oak, and a vintage 1980s or 90s Citizen watch. And here I have my Rolex Automatic. So this is going to be a 1970s Rolex Automatic watch. So something really cool about these products is that you are going to get a lot of quality for the money. So in my opinion, this watch roll looks a lot more expensive. You can see the finishing on the inside right here, also with the logo, the finishing on the outside, also the little attention to detail right here. Everything looks very smooth. Here inside, as you can see, I have the 3 watches. I can pull them out. Something really cool is that they also have this small support right here for the roll. And here we have, as I mentioned, 3 watches. You also have the option for 1 watch. You can pull them out just like this, one by one, and they are going to be very easy to take off. Also, the material right here, once again, is very nice quality. And something really cool about this watch roll is that you also have this hidden jewelry box. So this storage, here you can place your extra straps, your rings, and that is something really cool. I haven't seen many that have this. And you're going to have a middle piece where I have the G-Shock, and then 2 that are going to, as you can see, connect very nicely, and then you can put them in. And I really like the fact that you can even rotate them a little in case you, let's say, want to display them as well. Then you can put them into position, close the watch roll, and you are good to go. Now, when it comes to the watch winder, this is going to be the watch winder for only 1 watch. A very nice and interesting display. I really like the color. You can opt for 3 various colors. As you can see right here, we have the orange and 2, one that is blue, and I believe that this might be a dark blue or a black. Here you have all the information that you need in order to start, how to use it. And here I have 2 buttons right here that I can turn it on. So you are going to have 2 options. You can either use the outlet in order to plug it in, or you can even use 2 batteries. Do not use the batteries at the same time while it is plugged in, because you can actually damage it. And this is going to unscrew. Really cool. It gives you that very retro vibe, and you can even select how many rotations you want per day. And something really cool is that, as you can see right here, we can opt for up to almost 2000 rotations, and it is going to work for 12 hours, rest for 12 hours, and then it is going to repeat. I can then pause it. I can even select to go clockwise, anti-clockwise, in both directions, so both clockwise and anti-clockwise. I'm also going to pause it a little. You can even use it as a display piece, as you can see. So that is going to be something really cool. And now I'm going to take out my watch. You have this very easy system, as you can see. And here we have another small piece of material. And now it is going to be very easy to take your watch off. I'm going to either use this system, and it is going to fit both smaller and bigger watches. So as you can see, this is the maximum when it comes to the bracelet or strap length. And also you can insert here even bigger watches. So that is going to be something really cool. For example, here I have a very large diesel chronograph watch. And as you can see, even this one fits inside this winder, even though it is a quartz watch. Then this is going to be, as I mentioned, used for automatic watches. So this is going to be my 1970s Rolex watch, and I'm going to place it right here. As you can see, I can press it down, then I can close the buckle, and then I have the watch right here, and I can easily put it back in. I really like how it looks like this as well. What I would definitely recommend is to make sure that you position it just like this. You can even make a small rotation, but I wouldn't recommend to rotate it while it is not working, because you can actually damage the motor. And then I can screw this part right here in case I want to also protect it from dust and have this very interesting display. And in my opinion, guys, if you're looking, as I mentioned, for premium quality watch storage, either for the travel box or for the winder for your watches, I would definitely recommend the ones by Dukwin. I really like the finishing, the quality, especially for a very low budget. Make sure to grab them on Amazon. I am pretty sure that you are going to like them, guys.